That right there is gorgeous, the Barry store. Downtown Belize City. I think this is the best thing to do, stay on the sidewalk.
Sí, sí. Ajá, ahí. That's how it is out there because
Excuse me, that one snuck out of me. This is a walking tour of downtown Belize City. The Big Easy, baby. It's a hot one today too. Gorgeous city, by the way. I believe the famous swing bridge is somewhere down in that direction over there. That's a lovely building right there. That's City Hall. Garifuna Settlement Days around the bend. For your banking needs. An ATM while you're in the downtown area. Elsewhere. Oh, gorgeous cathedral, by the way. Cool, cool. It's a little, I mean, the not be chatting or communicating. It's so warm today. And I'm easily distracted. Can't tell if I'm doing a good job recording. Can't see the screen. So bright. Okay, so Belize City was founded on wetlands, so it's below sea level, and it was founded based on the fact that it could be considered one of the areas and region in Central America that was a safe haven for piracy. So a lot of pirates used to use Belize City. At that time, it wasn't named Belize City. I think it was British Honduras, and it was also considered a territory of Spain. So what the baymans used to do, or not the baymen, the pirates used to rob ships in the Caribbean, and they would come into the Belize harbor because it has a barrier reef. So it was a safe haven for those who the ships would be battered during warfare and stuff, doing piracy or pirating. So when they would come into the barrier reef area, they would harvest timber to repair their ships. And slowly the pirates started to recognize the value of this territory, this region, and they would harvest logwood, and hence they changed their name from pirates to baymen. So they became baymen. They would harvest mahogany and other exotic timber and export it to Europe and use it for furniture and whatever other stuff they were using back at the time. So that's a brief history of Belize City. It's a lowland community that's built on swamp or marshlands. It's below sea level. It's protected by the barrier reef, which breaks up the waves from the Caribbean Sea. It helps to reduce the barrier reef helps to reduce some of the strength and power of hurricane during hurricane season as well. And currently this area where I'm at right now is downtown area, and yeah, as you can see, they have done a lot to beautify and make the place look amazing. So come check out Belize in Belize City. It's a beautiful city. There's so much going on. So come out and explore Belize. And now to the islands. What a gorgeous country.